Ever wondered how you can turn your everyday spending into a potential investment? Like, seriously, imagine every cup of coffee, grocery run, or online shopping spree could subtly work in your favor. Intrigued? Let's dive into the world of Raiz rewards. Now, you might be thinking, rewards? Isn't that just another fancy word for cashback? Well, sort of. But Raiz Rewards is like that friend who not only lends you money but also invests it wisely. It's about more than just getting money back, it's about growing your money while you spend. Let's break it down. Essentially, Raiz Rewards is a program that partners with a bunch of your favorite brands. Every time you shop at one of these partner stores using a specific payment method, you earn Raiz Rewards points. These points aren't just virtual confetti, they're your ticket to potential investment growth. But how does this magic happen? Well, here's the lowdown. When you accumulate a certain number of Raiz Rewards points, you can convert them into actual dollars. And guess what? Those dollars are automatically invested into your Raiz portfolio. So, that latte you enjoyed on Monday morning might just contribute to your future financial goals. It's like having a tiny, super efficient investment robot working in the background. You live your life, make purchases, and while you're at it, you're indirectly building your investment portfolio. How cool is that? But wait, there's more. Raiz Rewards isn't just about the points. It's about the flexibility. You have control over how your rewards are invested. You can choose from a variety of portfolios based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. So, whether you're a risk taker or a steady Eddie, there's an option for you. Now, you might be wondering about the fine print. How many points do you need? Which stores are partners? Are there any hidden fees? Don't worry, we'll cover all that. But first, let's talk about the psychology of it all. It's about turning spending into a habit, a good habit. It's about making your money work harder for you, even when it feels like you're just spending it. Think of it as a gamification of saving. You're earning points, leveling up, and unlocking rewards. It's fun, engaging, and, most importantly, it's working towards your financial future. So, the next time you're about to hit that checkout button, remember, you're not just spending, you're investing. You're turning everyday purchases into potential profit. That cup of coffee? It could be your first step towards financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.